This is part 2 of our Hoarder House series, and today we are talking about the big decision. Do I clean it out or do I just sell it as is? Now, both options are valid, and it depends on two things: how much time you have and how much money you can spend up front. What happens when you clean it out? Most people assume that clearing out a hoarder house is a huge project that takes weeks or months. But here's the truth. If you bring in professionals, not friends, not family, pros, the majority of these homes can be fully cleared out in 1 to 3 days. We've done homes that were packed for 40 years, emptied, deep cleaned, and photo ready in a week. Once the house is cleared out, you can see what's salvageable. You can assess for repairs. You can list it on the open market, which often brings in $20,000 to $50,000 more than the cash offer. And that's the key. Clearing it out gives you options. What happens if you sell as is? If you're overwhelmed emotionally, financially, or logistically, and you just want it to be done, selling it as is for a cash offer can make sense. We'll give you a fair, no pressure cash offer based on real market data, and we'll walk you through what you're giving up if you skip the cleanout. Because here's what most people don't realize. When a house is full of stuff, buyers assume the worst. They can't see the floors, the HVAC, the walls, the condition of anything. So they lowball the offer to protect themselves. What we recommend, if you can clean it, do it. If you can't, don't beat yourself up, but let someone help you. That's what we're here for. Click the link to download our free guide, Clean It, Sell It, Skip It. How to decide the best way to handle a hoarder house situation. We'll help you compare the two options and make the right call.